Is your Ford EcoSport's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches, key fob issues, or body control module glitches. The three most common causes are faulty door or hood switches, key fob synchronization problems, and body control module glitches. First, inspect all door and hood switches for damage or corrosion. A multimeter can help check switch continuity. It should read near zero when closed and infinite when open. Next, try replacing your key fob battery and resynchronizing it with the vehicle, following the owner's manual instructions. If the problem persists, consider a BCM reset. Remember, Ford issued recall M25V123 for 2018-2022 models due to BCM issues. Check your VIN on Ford's website for eligibility for a free reprogramming at a dealership. If basic troubleshooting fails, a hard BCM reset might be necessary. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. However, professional BCM reprogramming ensures proper calibration and might be needed if issues continue. Software updates like Ford's Sync Patch version 2.1.8 can recalibrate key fob signals and reduce false alarms. Keep your system updated. Looking ahead, trends point towards software-driven solutions. AI-assisted diagnostics are emerging, enabling self-service resets. Ford plans to integrate advanced machine learning in BCM firmware by 2026, potentially predicting sensor failures. If DIY methods don't work, consult a professional to avoid further complications.